Hey, Mark Rice here, and it's time to boost our game design. All together, we made a wonderful piece of art here. So, enjoy last fight of the game. Okay people, before I start, I want to say that this is the last part of the game design. Tomorrow, I will publish one more video with a cover of the game. So, I need you to come out with a cool name for the game. I plan to draw font as well, so try with very short names. Tomorrow we will finish this game, but it's just starting for us. In next part of the game design I will give you the link with vector files, so you can continue with the story if you want. Key lines comment, you can maybe add spaceship with a lot of smoke coming out, so now I'm working on it. Salaman asked for a background damaged cars, and Andy for a crashing plane. It can be cool, but I'm limited with space here. And we have the spaceship in the flame. If one day this game become alive, that will be very cool. The Film Zone commented that the game is dark a bit. Yes, but this is war, man, and I want to pop up the bright effects. Where we start a new game, it will be very colorful and bright, I promise. Okay, with these cool comments you really boost my skills, so I hope that you inspire as well. Oh man, the burning spaceship is great. Look at that smoke, how cool it is. Okay, many of you are suggested the power-ups for power and health. The heroes need support, and I'm working on it right now. I created one power-up for the health and one for the power. When the hero picks up the white one, the body's energy level will increase. And the second one will be for weapons, robots, drones and stuff like that. Man, I'm in love with the flat design. Everything is so easy for drawing. One shape here, one there, and you got a cool object. Okay, now a few very interesting comments. Osama. So, I have a crazy idea. Let big monster explodes and comes to a lot of baby monsters from him. I know it's too many details, but it's so funny. Let the best come out. Note, a baby monster is very tiny, very angry and stupid. Man, it's crazy, but I love crazy stuff. And I'm not only one here. Miller's mind. The alien ship releases a swarm of alien insects. Next comment. What about an army of small insects? Man, we need insects so much. So now I'm working on it. These insects are from another boss who exploded. So the main hero with the spaceoid fighting with them. And I will draw a few circles for that part of the fight. Okay, one more comment from Film Zone. I think the heroes needs a little more help, so I think it will be cool to create a fighting robot. Gloom animation, add some robot. Okay, so we need robot. It's the military robot with the big gun. Okay people, when I finished the recording of my drawing, I added a few more details, such as details on buildings, a position of characters and stuff like that. So in the end, the game looks like this. Okay partner, tomorrow I will draw the cover for the game, so give me some creative name. As I said before, this is just beginning, so stay tuned boy, because the best is yet to come. Peace.